Yeah, hello guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. I just wanted to show you how you can write a simple program in Python for all those who want to get into programming and interested in seeing what happens in the background. Okay, so the Hello World program is a program that is you come across in almost all programming languages. Okay, and each language has its own syntax and how it's written. It's basically telling the program to output a message which says hello world. All right then. So we'll be using Python, but we'll be using what we call the Jupyter notebook to do that. You can also go ahead and install Python and use the Python command line to also output the same information. All right then. So let me just get to my server in a minute. All right. And let's say where's the learn Python with Theo. Let's come here again and let's create a new one. Okay. Now let's rename this as Hello World. Okay, good. All right. So the Hello World program runs like this: print, and then you put in your message in here. Print Hello World. Okay, good. So this is it. This is basically the Hello World program. We are basically telling Python to output this message on the screen. Okay, then let's run the program and see how it runs. Good. Hello world. Right. So you can make it, you can add more things to it. Let's say hello world. World. This is Theo. Theo. Hello world, this is Theo. All right, let's run this one as well. Good. So hello world, this is Theo. Okay, good. Now there are more things you can add to the program to make it more interactive and things like that. For example, say you want to know the age of someone, okay, or yourself or a sibling or even famous people, okay. Say for example, so you create a variable name, all right, and in the name variable we want an input data from the user, okay. For example, what is the name of the person? All right, good. What is the name of the person? Good. And then year of birth, th. Okay. And here we want an input that's data from the user. So we want the user to tell us what the year of birth is, okay? In which year was this person born? Sorry. In which year was this person born? Good. All right. And then we can say, okay, let's calculate the age. So how do we calculate the age? Good. We'll take the current year, which is 2019, and then we'll subtract the year of BIRT, year of birth. Good. Now let's go back and work on and try to tidy up the code. Now here we have what we call integers, which are numbers basically. 2019 and the year of birth. Year of birth here will be set to the value that the user types in here. Okay, so the year of birth will also be an integer, right? Good. No, the year of birth needs to be an integer. Okay, so for us to get that integer to do the subtraction, we'd have to convert whatever the user types in as an integer. All right, good. So age is what? 2019 minus the year of what? Of birth. Good. All right. Now we want to see how Python calculates the year and gives us some feedback. All right. So we want Python to say, okay, name. Okay, good. So Python, what we'll print out what we have here. We'll print out the name of the person. Good. And then we'll also want Python to tell us how old the person is. Good. So let's say name, and then we can say plus plus, okay, name plus, okay, all right. So it's, let's say, and then we'll add up one more information. So assuming the name is Theo, so it's Theo S, and then we print out the age. Okay, we print out the age, and then we can add all right, good. Now let's do some tidying up. So the age we have here is going to be a number. That's an integer. All right, so we want to convert that into a string so that we don't have any errors from Python. All right, good. Now let's run this code and see what happens. Good. Ready? Go. Good. So we have an error here. What does it say? It's saying that what? Okay, good. So we need to add this to it. Yeah. All right, good. Let's run the code again. What is the name of the person? Let's say Donald Trump, right? MP. Sorry, Ash MP. Okay. In which year was this person born? Donald Trump was born in 1952. Donald Trump is 67 years old. Yeah, very simple. All right, let's run the program for someone else. What's the name of the person? Let's say Vladimir Putin. Okay. In which year was this person born? 1946, I think. Yeah. So Vladimir Putin. No. Guys, we got it all wrong. No. We got it all wrong. Let's run the code again. Good. What's the name of the person? Vladimir Putin. I think I had the dates. Okay, good. All right, good. Vladimir was, that's 1952. Yeah. So Vladimir is 67 years old. And then let's do it again for Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Good. It's 1946. All right. So Donald Trump is 73 years old. Okay, good. And so you can even put in your own year. What's the name of this person? Theo, in which year? Let's say I was born in 2000, assuming. Yeah. So that's how it works. So thanks so much for joining. I hope you learned something, and I'll be coming back once in a while to show you some snippets of what we are working on. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.